Hello students, Standard 8th. Today we are going to do the revision. The chapter from the very beginning. Chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Because long time it was finished and in our examination there are some questions, I think 4 marks one or 3 marks one. So let us revise so that maybe you forgot, then you can revise your memories, recall your memories. First one, solve the following equation. First one is 5x minus 10 equals minus 5. Now I hope you remember the things I told you while solving the linear equation. I hope that river and crossing the river, that when you cross the river your clothes should be changed, plus to minus, minus to plus, multiply to divide, divide to multiply. Means numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So here first we will take minus 10 that side. So 5x is equal to minus 5. Minus 10 will become plus 10 when going to the next side. And therefore 5x is equal to, first you have to simplify here. Opposite sign, so subtraction, 10 minus 5 is 5 and greater number sign is plus, so 5. Now here 5 is in the multiplication, so it will go in the denominator and therefore x is equal to 1. There is the answer. So let's do another one. 8x minus 1 equals 5. First we will take some simple and then little difficult. Therefore 8x is equal to, now minus 1 becomes plus 1 when it goes other side. So 8x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 upon 8. 3 2s are 4 2s are. So x is equal to 3 upon 4 is the answer. Third one. T minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 equals 0. So first of all this minus 1 we will take that side. So t minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Minus 1 will become plus 1. It means t minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. Now 3 will go that side. So t minus 2 is equal to 3 ones are 3. So t is equal to 3 plus 2. So t is equal to 5. Fourth one. (14y) minus 8 equals 13. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. So 14y is equal to 21. So y is equal to 21 upon 14. 7 3s are 7 2s are. So y is equal to 3 by 2, or you can convert into mixed fraction also, not a problem. Fifth one. Fifth one is x upon 3 plus 14 upon 9 is equal to minus 5 upon 7. So now when there are different denominators, the best way is to find the LCM and multiply all the terms with the LCM, so the denominator will be removed. So LCM of 3, 9 and 7 you have to do in rough. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 7 as it is, 3 1 ones are and 7 as it is, and 7 1 1 1. So 3 threes are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So you are multiplying all terms by 63. So 63 multiplied by x upon 3, 63 multiplied by 14 upon 9, 63 multiplied by minus 5 upon 7. So here 21 threes are, so 21x, 9 sevens are, so 14 sevens are 98 is equal to 7 nines are, so minus 9 fives are 45. So now we can convert them as the simple form. Now it is easier. So now 21x minus 45 plus 98 will become minus 98. And therefore 21x is equal to, now both are negative sign, so answer will have negative sign and you have to add them. So minus 143, and therefore x is equal to minus 143 upon 21. Check if any cancellation. Otherwise, that will be the answer. Here 7 threes are. Here 3 is also not a factor. 7 is also not a factor. So answer is minus 143 upon 21. Now the next one. T upon 5 is equal to t minus 1 upon 6. Here what we have to do is, because the whole term has the denominator, so in this situation we can do the cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, 6 multiplied by t is equal to 5 multiplied by t minus 1. Therefore 6t is equal to, now 5 will be multiplied with both of them, 5t minus 5 ones are 5, and therefore 6t minus 5t is equal, because the terms with t we bring it one side, minus 5 remaining that side, 6t minus 5t is 1t, so t is equal to minus 5. Next one. Two y minus 3 upon 4 minus 3y minus 5 upon 2 equals y plus 3 by 4. Here all denominators, though we have to take the LCM, LCM will be 4. So multiplying all terms by 4. So 4 into bracket 2y minus 3 upon 4 minus 4 into bracket 3y minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 4y plus 4 into 3 by 4. So here this 4 cancel, so 2y minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4. So 2 will be multiplied, so minus 2 3s are 6y, and here minus minus will become plus, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 4y plus 4 cancel, and you get 3 here. So now here 2y minus 6y minus 3 plus 10 equals 4y plus 3. So now 2y minus 6y is minus 4y. 10 minus 3 is 7. 4y plus 3. So minus 4y plus 4y come this side again becomes minus 4y. 3 plus 7 becomes minus 7. So minus 8y is equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4. You can cancel the negative sign from both sides. So 8y equals 4. And therefore we get y equals 4 upon 8 because it will go down. And therefore y is equal to 1 upon 2 will be your answer. Let's take another example. Eighth one. 5x minus 12 upon 2x is equal to 3 upon 5. So here you can see that there is a one denominator, here also one denominator. So we can do the cross multiplication. So 5 multiplied by the whole bracket 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x multiplied by 3. Opening the bracket, so 5 5s are 25x minus 5 12s are 60 is equal to 3 2s are 6x. X we will bring this side, so 25x minus 6x is equal to 60 will go that side. So now 25x minus 6x is how much? 19x. And is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 upon 19. Next sum. 2x minus 3 upon 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So here also we can do the cross multiplication. That minus sign we can take with any of them. So here 3 into bracket 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into bracket 3x plus 2. Opening the bracket both the side. So 3 2s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to minus 2 3s are 6x and minus plus minus 2 2s are 4. Now that 6x we will bring this side, so it will become plus 6x. 6x plus 6x is equal to minus 4 minus 9 will become plus 9. 6x plus 6x is 12x and 9 minus 4 equals 5. So x is equal to 5 upon 12. That will be your answer. Now x upon 2 minus 2 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1. So here LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So multiplying all terms by 6, LCM of 2 and 3. For your information, not necessary to write down, but you will think, how did you bring that 6? So therefore 6 multiplied by x upon 2 minus 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 multiplied by x by 3 plus 6 multiplied by 1. Here 2 3s are 6, so 3x minus 6 2s are 12. Here 3 2s are, so 2x plus 6 1s are 6. So now the terms containing x on one side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 6 plus 12. 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 12 becomes plus 12. 3x minus 2x is x, so x is equal to 18 here. Next sum. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3x upon 2 minus 14. Here 2 is there, so LCM is 2. So multiplying all terms by 2. So what will we get? 2 multiplied by 5x, 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 14. So 2 5s are 10x plus 2 cancel, so 7. So 10x plus 7 is equal to, here also 2 cancel, so 3x minus 14 2s are 28. So therefore 10x, 3x becomes minus 3x, minus 28 minus 7. 10x minus 3x is 7x, so 7x is equal to minus 35. So now x is equal to minus 35 upon 7, so 7 5s are, so x is equal to minus 5. Let's take one more example. That is x upon 2 plus x plus 2 upon 3 plus x minus 1 upon 4 equals x. So here LCM of 2, 3 and 4 will be 12. So LCM of 2, 3, 4 is 12. So multiplying them, all terms by 12. So 12 into x by 2 plus 12 into x plus 2 upon 3 plus 12 into x minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 12 into x. Here 2 6s are, so 6x plus 3 4s are, so 4 into bracket x plus 2 plus 4 3s are, so 3 into bracket x minus 1 equals 12x. So by doing this, we are removing the denominators. So now 6x, 4x plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3x minus 3 equals 12x. Now 6x plus 4x is 10x, 10x plus 3x is 13x, 8 minus 3 is 5 is equal to 12x. 12x comes this side, so 13x minus 12x is equal to plus 5 becomes minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5. So here we are going to finish the session. In the next session maybe we will do some more examples and some word problems also. Thank you very much.